Ever found yourself glued to those addictive top 10 list videos on YouTube? Channels like WatchMojo and Matthew Santoro have turned listicles into an art form, racking up millions of views and generating significant revenue. But let's be honest, creating these videos takes a lot of time and effort. From researching the topic, scripting, recording, and finally editing, it's a lengthy process. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline this process using the latest AI technology? In today's video, I'll show you how you can create your own listicle videos quickly and efficiently using AI tools. In this video, you'll learn how to harness the power of AI to create engaging listicle videos without spending countless hours on them. I'll guide you through the entire process, from finding trending topics and generating scripts using ChatGPT, to creating professional voiceovers with Descript, and finally editing your videos with CapCut. We'll explore how these AI tools can save you time and enhance your creativity. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to produce high-quality content that can captivate your audience and boost your channel's performance. All right, let's dive into the world of AI-powered content creation. First, we'll start with the research phase, which is crucial for making engaging and relevant listicle videos. The research phase sets the foundation for your video. To make sure your listicle is engaging, you need to choose a trending and interesting topic. This is where AI tools come into play. Let's use ChatGPT to help us brainstorm some ideas. First, open ChatGPT and prompt it with a query like, "What are the top trending topics for listicle videos in 2024?" Within seconds, you'll have a list of potential topics. For example, you might get responses like Top 10 Innovations in AI Technology for 2024, Top 10 Must-Visit Travel Destinations in 2024, or Top 10 Health and Fitness Trends for 2024. Now, let's refine our topic. Suppose we go with Top 10 Innovations in AI Technology for 2024. The next step is to gather detailed information for each point. Ask ChatGPT to provide a brief description of each innovation. You'll get concise and informative descriptions that you can use directly in your script. For instance, if you want more details on AI-powered language translation, you can prompt ChatGPT with "Explain how AI is revolutionizing language translation in 2024." This iterative process helps you build a well-researched script in a fraction of the time it would normally take. With our script in hand, it's time to move on to voiceovers. Descript is a fantastic AI tool for this. Descript not only allows you to create professional voiceovers, but also offers an easy way to edit your audio. First, import your script into Descript. Descript's overdub feature can clone your voice or use one of its built-in voices to generate the narration. This AI-powered tool can produce natural-sounding voiceovers, saving you from the hassle of recording and re-recording your script. You can use the voices in the database, or you can record your own voice into Descript to create a voice over using your own voice. Once your script is uploaded, you can tweak the pacing, tone, and pronunciation to match your style. Descript's interface is user-friendly, allowing you to edit the text and see the changes reflected in the audio instantly. This makes it easy to ensure your voiceover sounds just right before moving on to the next step. Now that we have our voiceover ready, it's time to create the video using CapCut. CapCut is an AI-powered video editing tool that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Start by importing your voiceover into CapCut. Next, gather the visuals you'll need: images, video clips, and any other multimedia elements. CapCut's AI can assist in selecting relevant visuals based on your script. For instance, if your listicle point is about AI in healthcare, CapCut can suggest or automatically add appropriate visuals from its library. Once your assets are in place, use CapCut's intuitive timeline to arrange them. Add transitions, text overlays, and any other effects to make your video visually appealing. CapCut's AI features can help automate these processes, making it quicker and more efficient. You can also use CapCut's text-to-speech feature for any additional narration or corrections. Lastly, review your video to ensure everything aligns perfectly. CapCut makes it easy to make adjustments on the fly, ensuring your final product is polished and professional. And there you have it. By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT for research and script writing, Descript for voiceovers, and CapCut for video editing, you can create high-quality listicle videos with a fraction of the effort and time. These tools not only streamline the content creation process, but also enhance your creative capabilities, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling stories and engaging your audience. Imagine the potential: more videos, better quality, and ultimately, more views and revenue for your channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, AI Content Academy. We're constantly exploring the latest AI technologies to help you elevate your content creation game. Also, check out our latest videos where we dive deeper into each of these tools and share more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!